Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Peanut Butter Cup Cupcakes. They're light and moist chocolate cupcakes filled with a sweet peanut butter filling, frosted with light and fluffy peanut butter frosting, decorated with mini chocolate chips, and topped with a peanut butter cup. They're absolutely delicious. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line a muffin pan with cupcake liners and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're well combined. Then add in the egg, buttermilk, canola or vegetable oil, and vanilla extract, and whisk them just until they're combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then add in the very hot or boiling water and mix it in until it's combined. Pour the batter into each muffin cup, filling each one about 3/4 full. And bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of one of them comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Then to make the peanut butter filling, in a medium bowl, add in the peanut butter, powdered sugar, and softened butter. Mix them with a spoon at first. Then use your hands to bring it all together. To make the peanut butter frosting, in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the softened butter and peanut butter, and beat them on medium-high speed for 5 minutes until it becomes light and pale. Scraping down the sides occasionally to ensure even mixing. Then sift the powdered sugar into a separate bowl. Add about half of it into the whipped peanut butter mixture. Mix it on low speed at first. Then once it's combined, beat it on medium-high speed for another 2 minutes. Scraping down the sides when needed. Then add in the rest of the powdered sugar. Mix it in on low speed at first. Then beat it on a higher speed until it's well combined. Then add in the milk. Start with 3 tablespoons. Mix it until it's combined. And scrape down the sides. If the mixture still looks stiff, you can add in another tablespoon of milk, but try not to add too much. You don't want the frosting to be too soft. Once the consistency is right, beat it on medium-high speed for another minute. Then finish it by hand to combine all the ingredients. You'll know the consistency is right when you take a scoop of the frosting and turn it upside down. If the frosting doesn't fall off the spatula, it's perfect. Place the frosting into a piping bag fitted with a round piping tip or a regular plastic bag and just cut off the corner. Once the cupcakes are completely cooled, use a sharp knife to cut a hole into the middle of each one. Take some of the peanut butter filling, squeeze it together, and roll it into a cylinder. Place it into the hole inside each cupcake and push it down, and add more if needed to make sure the cupcake is completely full. Pipe the frosting onto each cupcake. Press some mini chocolate chips onto the sides. And finish it off with a peanut butter cup on top. And that's how to make peanut butter cup cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.